Good day viewers, good day followers. So today I'm going to grilled flatfish. So I don't know what exactly the name of this fish, but this one is a big size. So look at this. So I'm gonna measure it. How big is it? So that's a big size. So I'm just going to grill this one. So just easy simple. Just salt and pepper and then fresh lemon when you finish. So I'm just gonna put first an olive oil. Yan. Olive oil. Spread ko lang siya. Para yung aking seasoning is siya, absorb. Tapos lalagyan ko siya ng salt and pepper. Lalagyan ko ng salt. Pepper, black pepper. Yan. So mas okay itong kainin, healthy. I-grill ko lang siya. Ayan, tapos lalagay ko siya dito sa sa non-stick. Ayan siya. So lagyan ulit ng olive oil. Para yung seasoning is mag-absorb. So lagyan ulit natin ng salt. Naka-preheat na yung aking oven. Ilalagay ko din yung aking fish. Ito ay binibigay lang sa akin dito ng mga fisherman dito sa Scotland. Libre lang. So ayan siya, ready na siya. So ilalagay natin siya sa oven. Ayan, ready na yung aking oven. Ilagay lang natin yan dito. So this is now my grilled fish. Look at that, it's just ready na. Oh. So I'm going to put in my white dish. Mas malaki pa ito kaysa nagayan ko. Oh, look at this. Mas malaki pa siya kaysa sa lagayan ko. Tapos ngayon lalagyan ko ng fresh lemon. Para mas masarap siya. Ayan, itong aking tanghalian yan. Isda lang. So ayan yung aking grilled fish. Kasarap nito. Bango. Ito natin ito. Delicious. So ito lang aking lunch. Thank you for watching.